This is an example of a Rinky Dinky house. We're not gonna wholesale, I'm gonna flip the sucker.
We'll never leave a seller high and dry.
I told you, you should have done it.
Like a boss.
All right, so 29 Plain Street, this is a property in Fall River. It's super cheap, we got it for $150. I've had 2 buyers fall through, and my competitive side of me is like, I'm gonna show you there's a lot of money to be made on this project. We're not gonna wholesale, I'm gonna flip the sucker.
So we're outside 29 Plain Street in Fall River.
I always say, you don't wanna buy Rinky Dinky houses. This is an example of a Rinky Dinky house. Not every buyer wants to live on a postage stamp lot surrounded by large multifamilies in the middle of Fall River.
And behind another property.
The buyer backed out on us, so we had to close because the seller was moving to Florida.
We will close if the buyers can. We'll never leave a seller high and dry. And now we're actually flipping it ourselves.
So, how are we gonna make this Rinky Dinky house better? That's the question. I wanna make this as desirable as possible. We replaced the floor with a really nice high quality vinyl, and then we're gonna put in a really nice stainless steel washer dryer here, and then we enter the house.
When you walked into this property initially, it was very dark room and it was all broken up.
Floor was this old brown laminate. We put some vinyl on top of it. Paint the walls a certain color to brighten it up. We paint the wood paneling white to brighten it up. We're trying to figure out ways to save money while also making the place look nice. So we're like, all right, let's spray the brick over. All right, we painted the cabinets.
And you don't have to replace the cabinets. If you can savor them, if they're in good condition, keep them.
And then we got this really nice granite countertop coming in here. Dishwasher, stove, fridge. So everything will feel new, everything will feel fresh. Even in the bathroom, put it in a new tub. It's a nice beveled backsplash tile or subway tile all the way around. A new floor, nice vanity and toilet.
We've actually created the walls and the space to create a 2-bedroom to maximize the value.
We come in, we put a couple walls up, we run some electric baseboard down here because there was no heat up here actually. So now you have a good sized room. You got a good sized room over there. There are people who don't want to pay 15, 16, 1700 bucks for a 2-bedroom apartment. They'd rather call this place their home for 1800 bucks mortgage, right? Where they're paying down equity, they're putting money in their pocket. They're proud to own a piece of property. We're gonna show these people that you need courage to succeed in real estate. And when this is all said and done, we're gonna make a bunch of money and I'm gonna say, listen, I told you, you should have done it. We did it because we had the courage to do it.
Like a boss.